Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to join and participate in Bilibili live chats. Whether you're watching your favorite content creator or joining a fan room, here's how to join a chat on Bilibili. Let's get started. First, download the app on the Play Store or App Store and then log in or create an account to access a full feature. Then at the bottom of the menu, tap Chat. Then you'll see a list of stream discussions or chat rooms. Tap 1 to enter the room. Then inside the room, find the chat box at the bottom and type your message or tap send. Then some chat rooms may ask you to follow the host or reach a certain level to participate and engage with reactions or gifts. You can send emojis, stickers, or virtual gifts. Gifts may cost B-coins which support the creator, and tips to avoid issues. Avoid spammy or offensive content and follow the host for more chat features. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.